battery draining issue problem. Walk over here. Basically what I've been having is an issue with the battery draining if the car sits for, I would say, like 24 hours. After 24 hours, I can't start the car. So, did some research. Behind this panel, there's a Bluetooth, hands-free Bluetooth device, basically, that we're gonna unplug. And that's gonna solve our issue. The way to get into this panel is we're basically going to push in and then out, because there's like a little tab in there, and we gotta basically remove it from how it's hooked in there and then push this little panel back out. And behind there is, like I said, a little hands-free Bluetooth module that is basically trying to connect to your phone and draining your battery. It's a common issue actually on the TSXs, the TLs, and the MDXs. So you guys, actually what I've discovered is it's actually going to be better if you pop this trim out a little bit, pop it up. That way you can get under this panel more and a lot easier. Pops right up like that. Boom. That way you'll be able to get under this panel now. This one right here. So now you can literally slide your finger right there under, and boom. See how that panel's already coming out and up. Bada bing, bada boom. And boom. That's what I was explaining at the very beginning of the video, how you gotta push in and then now out. It pops out of the rivets on the bottom, and there's one rivet up on the top that you just kind of pull, and it pulls right out. There it is. So you just pull the panel to the side, and there it is, the infamous Bluetooth hands-free module right there. There's gonna be like a little clip right here, bam, just unplug it, put it to the side. I mean, I don't even use it. I don't even use this Bluetooth like module, so I don't even care. I just don't want it draining my battery like every single day that I don't have to, you know, not use the car. But yeah, you guys, if your Acura or Honda is draining the battery and you have changed it and you have a brand new battery, you don't even know why, this is your issue. It keeps trying to find your phone and yeah, draining your battery. So you're welcome.